guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Terry and today I'll be showing you how I achieved this red hair color on my natural hair without bleaching my hair whatsoever. This hair color comes out with only water, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. This is my hair after washing and air drying. I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair into maybe 4 sections. Then I'm going to start applying the hair wax onto my hair. Because oh my god, I'm so excited! I'm sorry guys. Been wanting to dye my hair for the longest time. Just going to section off my hair with some elastic bands. Working in sections makes the application so much easier and sometimes faster. Okay, so this is what we have. I need some water. I'll be right back. Got some. I'll also be using my curl activating smoothie, my curl activating moisturizing cream from Cantu. It's stated on the packaging that you should apply hair paint onto wet hair. And then I'm going to take my curl activating cream from Cantu. The curl activator step is optional. Remember, you can use absolutely any other curl activator you have. So wait, how do you style this? While I'm working this product into my hair, let me tell you everything you need to know about this product. First of all, it's really easy to use. This is my first time dyeing my hair since I big chopped. And I did that because my natural hair had gotten damaged from chemical treating and sometimes all-round neglect. Since this is a temporary hair dye, I'm so much more confident that my hair texture is going to remain intact. The hair paint wax has a waxy feel that surprisingly leaves your hair feeling and looking stretched out. I got it in the color red, but I feel like it came out slightly burgundy on me. Yeah, more burgundy than red. I highly recommend that you do not use a water-based hair gel with this product. Make sure you're coating each strand with as much product as you possibly can. Not too much, but enough product to make sure that you have a uniform look to your hair color. It just makes it nicer. So as you can see, I still had a little product left after the application. I think I can still use it again. I'm not too sure. So I simply put my hair in flat twist to enable the dry a little faster. And then I went in with my blow dryer on a cool setting to dry my hair. But guys, look at the color though. No bleach at all. This is amazing. I genuinely, absolutely love it. Before I started this video, I had watched a couple of reviews and I thought this product was completely horrible. I hated myself for buying it because it was quite pricey. I got it from Everything Beauty GH on Instagram. I'll leave a link to their shop in the cards up above me, or I'll leave it also in the description box. This is totally not sponsored. I got this hair color with my own money, and if it was horrible I would tell you from the onstart. But guys, look at it. I'm completely shook. If you're like me and you are not in any way planning to add chemicals to your hair to dye it, then this product is for you. I got it for I think 75 Ghana cedis. I'll put the equivalent to that here. Comment down below if you think the color looks good on me. But so far I've completely enjoyed this whole experience. My only pet peeve about this product is that it gets everywhere. No matter anything you touch, especially when your hands are not yet clean, anything you touch. Right now I have dye stains all over my room. I have to now pipe down and clean everything. So that's my only pet peeve. I like how it smells, and here are the ingredients to the product. I'm going to rewrite everything, the ingredients and everything on the container. I'll write it in the description box for you guys so you can check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and if there's anything you would like to know about this hair color, please leave it in the comment section down below. Also, if you want to see any other video, or if you have any other hair color requests for me to do, please leave it in the comment section down below. I really loved how this color turned out, and I would love to try out other colors. So if you've ever tried this hair color before, please leave it in the comment section down below which color you recommend that I try out. And thank you.